Here's how to delete all of your Facebook posts using Redact.dev. First, go to Redact.dev and download the free desktop app for Windows or Mac. Redact also works on iOS and Android, all from a single account and subscription. Just install the app, open it, and create your free account. When you enter your email, Redact will send you a code to set up your account or log back in. None of your social media or deletion data is connected to your email address or your Redact account. Redact is free to try on several platforms, including Facebook, so you can start deleting right away without a subscription. Upgrading to Premium unlocks deletion from over 30 services, advanced filters, scheduled deletion, and more features we're adding in future. From here, you can select Find My Accounts, and Redact will scan supported browsers on your device for social media accounts. You can also click Add Account, search and select Facebook, then continue to connect. Your login details are never seen or stored by Redact. They're sent directly from your device to Facebook, just like a saved login on a browser. Everything stays local and on your device. Now you can choose what you want to delete. Select Posts as your content type. This tells Redact to target your standard Facebook posts, including text updates, photos, videos, and links. And to delete everything, leave the filters blank and run the deletion. Redact includes advanced filters to make your deletion smarter. You can target posts by date range, engagement level, keyword, and more. You can also use the preservation settings to protect specific content you want to keep. Once you're done setting up filters, you're ready to start deleting. Or you can preview the deletion first to make sure you're not removing anything that you want to keep. Click Start Deletion and keep the app running while Redact.dev removes your posts. Facebook deletion is available on the free plan for Redact, although it is limited to the last 30 days without a premium subscription. With a Redact premium subscription, you also get deletion from over 30 services, advanced filters, and automation like scheduled deletion. So Redact keeps cleaning up on your behalf over time.